Step 1 is nerve tension. Your sciatic nerve starts here and goes all the way down to your toe.
David, from @Movement by David, is showing us the close relationship between the hamstring muscles and the sciatic nerve. And I'd like to illustrate that out in detail, because not only is the sciatic nerve the longest and largest nerve, it travels through a very interesting course in the thigh. The sciatic nerve is formed from the L4 to S3 nerve roots. Nerve root just means where the nerve actually branches off from the spinal cord, and then exits between the bones of the spinal column. That's between the lowest two lumbar vertebrae, L4 and L5, and then the openings, or foramen, in the front of the sacrum at S1, 2, and 3. When all these nerve roots come together, we now call it the sciatic nerve. At this point, the sciatic nerve is exiting to the back of the pelvis through the greater sciatic foramen, the opening between the innominate and sacrum, emerging along with the piriformis muscle. Historically, the piriformis muscle has been vilified for its running over the sciatic nerve, but as we go down the leg, you'll find that many other muscles and much larger muscles also cover the sciatic nerve. The sciatic nerve travels downward along the inside or medial to the hip joint. As it does this, it's running directly over the obturator internus, superior and inferior gemelli, and quadratus femoris muscles, which are quite a few muscles, but covering all of this is the substantially larger gluteus maximus muscle. Next, the sciatic nerve runs through the posterior thigh region, running along the back of the femur bone. It's again surrounded by large muscles, underneath the long head of the biceps femoris, as well as beside the adductor group, the semimembranosus, and semitendinosus. As the hamstrings pass the knee, they insert and end their course. And just as the hamstrings split to the sides, the sciatic nerve ends by dividing into the tibial and common fibular, which go on to innervate the rest of the true leg and foot. This connection to the top and bottom of the thigh, along with its close musculoskeletal passageway, is the reason that changing the position of the body in a hamstring stretch should affect the sciatic nerve. In fact, based on all this, it would be strange if it didn't. As always, cool stuff. And thanks again, David.
Stay flexy.